Today is the day we turn the page to the next chapter of our lives. I'm so blessed to share this journey in life with you. From the moment I met you, my heart skipped a beat and I felt an immediate sense of home with you. You have always been my balance, my sense of peace and adventure, my steady place, my courage, but most of all, my best friend.
I have no idea what your dress looks like or what hairstyle you finally settled on after the endless hours you spent scrolling through Instagram, but I know with certainty that you will look amazing and I will forever remember the way you looked on this day for the rest of our lives.
We see it now, the story comes together, beauty lives in every chapter.
I am so proud of what you have achieved in life so far and the inspirational woman that you've grown to be. I am so honoured not just to call you my daughter, but most importantly, my best friend. My wish to you both is a lifetime of happiness, laughter and love that only continues to grow with each wonderful year you both share together. May your marriage be full of dreams, adventures and never-ending love. Love, Mum.
Thank you for loving Tara and making her so happy today and always. You are a true gentleman, kind and smart, and most of all, my daughter loves you. You have brought so much happiness into Tara's life. And remember, happy wife, happy life. The greatest gift that was ever bestowed on me and my life was my beautiful daughter Tara. I'm honoured to call you my son-in-law and I wish you both all the happiness in the world. From the best mother-in-law ever.
Our future together will be filled with adventure, hardship and love, but you're the one I want by my side forever and always. Here's to the first day of the rest of our lives together. See you soon, my love. Matt.
I thank my lucky stars that I get to walk hand in hand with you today and for the rest of my life. Love, your soon-to-be wife, Tara. I will always love you for who you are, and I'm excited for who you are yet to become. My love for you is absolute. In front of these witnesses, I, Matt, take you, Tara, to be my lawful wedded wife.
When we first met, my heart skipped a beat and I knew right from the start that one day I would be reciting these vows that are deep from in my heart. From here we walk hand in hand. I, Tara, take you, Matt, to be my lawful wedded husband.
It is my absolute honour and pleasure to introduce you both for the very first time as husband and wife. Matt, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Sometimes drive through the night, you gotta, oh, drive through the night, you gotta do it sometimes, drive through the night, you gotta do it some nights.
In my eyes, you are the definition of a perfect couple. You both share so much love and care for each other, and I'm sure everyone in this room can see that. You bring out the best in each other and push each other in the right direction. such a positive outlook on life, and you are always looking for new ways to challenge yourself and put yourself out of your comfort zone. And I always look up to you for doing that. I feel very grateful and happy to have stood by my beautiful sister Tara and her now husband Matt.
Matthew, I love having you as a brother, and I can't wait for all the awaiting adventures to come. Tara, whilst you have been a part of the family for a long time, officially welcome, and I know you make my brother very happy.